Feeling overwhelmed by the scorching summer heat? Did you know that DIY cooling solutions can reduce your indoor temperature by up to 10 degrees without breaking the bank? Get ready to beat the heat with our easy-to-follow guide on constructing your own air cooler using just a few everyday items. Here's what you'll need: a sturdy plastic container, your soon-to-be cooler base, a compact but powerful small fan, ice packs or eco-friendly frozen water bottles, versatile PVC pipes, a sharp marker, a precise cutter, and some handy ties. Stay tuned to discover just how surprisingly effective this DIY air cooler can be. Begin by marking and cutting holes in the plastic container for the PVC pipes. These pipes will serve as outlets for the cool air. Next, attach the fan to the lid of the container using zip ties. Make sure it's securely fastened and facing inward. Insert the PVC pipes through the holes in the container. These will distribute the cool air throughout the room. Now fill the container with ice packs or frozen bottles of water. This will be the source of cold air. Finally, turn on the fan and voila! You now have your very own DIY air cooler. Enjoy the cool breeze and beat the summer heat with this simple and cost-effective solution. Stay cool, folks!